Hey guys, this is East African Diaspora TV. Today we are going to talk about coronavirus. The World Health Organization has declared a global health emergency over a new coronavirus that has killed more than 3,300 people worldwide following an outbreak in the central Chinese city of Wuhan. According to the World Health Organization, coronaviruses are a family of viruses that causes illnesses ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases, such as severe acute respiratory syndrome and Middle East respiratory syndrome. These viruses were originally transmitted between animals and people. The name coronavirus comes from the Latin word corona, meaning crown. Under an electron microscope, the image of the virus looks like a solar corona. New cases of the novel coronavirus that emerged in the central Chinese city of Wuhan. More than 95,000 infections has been confirmed in many countries, according to the World Health Organization. Here are the countries that have so far confirmed coronavirus cases: Afghanistan 1, Algeria 1, Argentina 1, Armenia 1, Australia 52, Austria 29, Azerbaijan 3, Bahrain 52, Belarus 6, Belgium 23, Brazil 4, Cambodia 1, Canada 34, China 80,710, Croatia 10, Czech Republic 8, Denmark 10, Dominican Republic 1, Ecuador 10, Egypt 3, Estonia 2, Finland 7, France 285, Georgia 3, Germany 534, Greece 10, Hungary 2, Iceland 26, India 29, Indonesia 2, Iran 3,513, Iraq 36, Ireland 6, Israel 15, Italy 3,089, Japan 706, Jordan 1, Kuwait 56, Latvia 1, Lebanon 13, Lithuania 1, Luxembourg 1, Malaysia 50, Mexico 5, Monaco 1, Morocco 1, Nepal 1, the Netherlands 82, New Zealand 3, Nigeria 1, North Macedonia 1, Norway 56, Oman 15, Pakistan 6, the Philippines 5, Poland 1, Portugal 5, Qatar 8, Romania 4, Russia 5, San Marino 16, Saudi Arabia 2, Senegal 4, Singapore 110, Slovenia 1, South Africa 1, South Korea 6,593, Spain 222, Sri Lanka 1, Sweden 52, Switzerland, Sweden 52, Switzerland 90, Taiwan 42, Thailand 47, Tunisia 1, Ukraine 1, United Arab Emirates 28, United Kingdom 90, United States 148, Vietnam 6. As we know that so far there are no any specific treatment to cure coronavirus, nor a vaccine, still we can protect ourselves by washing our hands with soap, covering our face when coughing or sneezing. Face masks are option as scientists doubt their effectiveness. So guys, please stay safe and avoid unnecessary travels to those countries which have already confirmed new cases of coronavirus. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel East African Diaspora TV, please subscribe so whenever we post new thing you can just get a notification. Thank you guys, God bless you and stay safe.